Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try this one out. This is the Feiwood gear inflatable rear tent. So come on, let's check it out. So as you see here, the packaging in this one is very small. So that's how compact it is. So when you are traveling or bringing it somewhere, so yeah, so this will be very helpful for those who doesn't own any rooftop tent or an awning. So yeah, so this will be very helpful. Yeah, let's open it. Okay. All right, so basically this is it from the package, from the box. Very small, very compact. Again, if you're camping without any rooftop tent or anything, you can use this. So let's deploy this quickly. All right, so in the packaging we have some stakes in here. I believe these are glow in the dark also, so that will be nice if they're glow in the dark. So right now we're installing this one out on my Forerunner. So yeah, so as I mentioned, it is inflatable, so we have some compressor in here to help us out to pump it out. All right, so it includes a pump. So if you don't have a compressor, this will help. It will take a while for sure, but it will be helpful. All right, so first let's lay it flat on the ground, and we have to find these valves in here. So there's two of them, one here and one on the other side, which is in here. So we're gonna inflate it first, and then once it's up, we can actually figure out which side we're gonna put it in the car. All right, so just a reminder, before you start pumping, install the red attachment to the hose before you attach it to the valve, okay? Because if you forget to install that, once you remove the hose, it will deflate. All right, let's begin pumping. Okay, so my friend is using the manual pump just to demonstrate how fast it can inflate. So as you see here, it inflates so fast, which I'm gonna help out here in a moment. So hold on. All right, so it's up right now, fully pumped. We just need to orient it properly. So this side here should be in the back of the SUV. So yeah, so it will tell you when to stop when you reach the green zone in here and you're pumping. Make sure you're in the green zone. Yeah, and that will be enough to stop, and this will be very strong and hard. All right, and then yeah, just secure the plug the valve. All right, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna arrange it in a moment here. All right, so here it is. So with the awning, you're gonna use the pole. Make sure you put the put it here in the hole. So the awning has a hole in here to secure the pole, and then we just temporarily put the wires or cables on it to just to show you guys how it looks like when it's deployed. So this is pretty big inside, so let me show you. So this can be basically it's extended there. Yeah, once this is fully set up inside, I think it can fit a king-size bed on it. So there's another door in there, so you can use this as your awning side basically, and use the other side as your door when you're going to bed. Okay, and then you have access to your car. If you have some stuff that you need to access in the car, you can access that. Again, this is pretty good. The material on it, it's thick, it's nice. The inflatable feature on this one is good. Yeah, so once this is fully secure in the ground with the stakes and everything, it's nice. I think it's worth it for the price. It is very worth it. So make sure you secure it somewhere in your car. So the Forerunner, I secure it here. Also has a suction mount, so it is secured here. Okay, so just do the same thing on the other side, and yeah, so there you have it. You have access again in the inside. So with this one, just secure it. It's up to you how you secure this one. So, but it will not get wet inside because it is double layered. Yeah, so pretty much awesome in here. So yeah, so we're just holding it temporarily. So once we're out camping, we're gonna use this just to show you more pictures in the future. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.